Look at it, guys. Look at it. I'm very happy with this Sansui SP-1500. It's a very nice speaker, and I set it up, guys, with my Sansui receiver on the right, silver faceplate. And today, guys, what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna test the sound of this Sansui 1500. This is a very nice speakers that I bought. I'm very lucky, guys. I'm very lucky about these speakers because I bought it for a very good price, very low price. And this is Japan made. And Japan made, guys, it's a very good stereos. And I listened to this stereos, this receiver earlier, and I enjoy the sound of this receiver. But today and now, I want you guys to hear the sound of this Sansui SP-1500. Some very nice speakers, as you can see, guys. Very nice, lots of speakers, very good speakers, guys. And this is a very thick speakers, as you can see on the side. Some very thick speakers. And I've been doing this for many years, guys. When I buy stuff and when I buy stereos, I really look for the thickness, the weight, and how many pieces of speakers inside of the covered speaker. And today, guys, I decided to film this and use this Sansui, receiver. And we're gonna listen to the sound now, guys, because I know you guys can't wait. And let's crank it up. Beautiful sounds, guys. Beautiful sounds, beautiful sounds. So there it is, guys, and I want to show you guys what I did to these speakers. I varnished this yesterday, and as you can see, this is very light speakers, and now it's a little bit darker, which I like, and it makes it look so nice. Look at it, guys. Look at it. Beautiful, beautiful. And I am really happy about these speakers because these are very expensive, and I would say these are hard to find out there. Very rare, guys, that this comes, and you will see this in different places, but very rare. And I've been driving around, I've been looking around, I've been searching around, I've been hunting, and very rare. I have a Sansui SP-2000, and that, my friends, is just hard to find. It's bigger than this, it's powerful than this, but I was lucky and I saw that Sansui SP-2000, and I decided to buy it. And I spoke to the owner. I said, I'm gonna go to your house, I'm gonna meet you in your house, and I'm gonna test it. I'm gonna bring my kit, and we're gonna listen to the sound of those stereos. And now I have this beautiful vintage Sansui SP-1500. So I'm very lucky, guys. I have 2 sets of speakers now, and from time to time I would like to listen to this. And I still have more speakers, guys, like behind the Sansui. I have Fisher, Japan made, and they are very nice speakers, guys. It's the same thing. It's thick, heavy, and the wood is very thick and very sturdy. And over here, guys, I have this, as you can see, this nice looking Nice looking reel-to-reel deck from Akai and Japan made. Very nice piece, guys, and I love the sound of that stuff. And I'm gonna play around with this next time, and then, I'm just gonna listen to the sound of this Akai. And over here I have Techniques receivers, vintage, and those are about $600 to $700. And over here I still have this Toshiba right here, Robotech. So you can see, took out all the covers, and I listen to that from time to time. I use it in my car when I feel like listening to it. I have a power bank, and I put speakers and cable for my phone and AUX to the AUX to the receiver, and I play that in my car. So yeah, so again, let's listen to this sound. Very nice setup, guys. And if you buy this in eBay, this is probably $200, $300 alone, this receiver, and that probably $300 to $400. It depends on the condition of the speakers, and this could cost $300 to $400. It's because they're all intact, and it's a very nice looking speakers. Yeah, so definitely you can get money for this speakers plus shipping and handling. And what a good score, guys. What a good score yesterday, because these are expensive and I pay a very, very low price, and I can never imagine. And I still asked the owner for a $5 discount, and he gave me a $5 discount, and it went down more. So the price went down, and now it's in my garage, and just enjoying listening to this and filming the Sansui SP-1500. So if I use my Marantz 4430 to this speakers, I can use those four speakers for Sansui's, my SP-2000 and this SP-1500 all together, because my Marantz 4430 is a 4-quad, and you can use 4 speakers at the same time. So it's gonna sound so amazing. So there it is, guys. You heard the sound of this. Once again, we're gonna listen to it so you guys can hear it. What a beautiful, beautiful sound. All right, guys, that's it.